Hi all of you. This is Lines and Angles RS Agrawal Sums. Exercise 13. Let's talk about question number 3. Among two supplementary angles, the measure of the large angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller one. Find their measures. So first of all, here two angles of supplementary that is given, that is one angle is larger angle is 36 more than the smaller one. So at first we have to take two angles. Let smaller angle is x degree and larger angle is x plus 36 degree, because here is given 36 more than the smaller one. So supplementary angle means we know that means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So here, according to the condition, x plus 36 equal to 180 degree. I will not write here because this is equation. Next, here this will be 2x plus 36 equal to 180 degree. Then 2x equal to 180 minus 36. Then from here implies 2x equal to, it will be subtracted 4, 1, then x equal to 144 by 2, that means 72. Therefore smaller angle is 72 degree and larger angle is 72 plus 36, that means 108 degree. This is the answer. Next, coming to question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Supplement means, I told that the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So find the angle which is equal to its supplement. That means let the angle be x, which is equal to its supplement. Therefore not, according to the condition, x plus x equal to 180 degree, because since in supplementary angle for supplementary angle two angles sum is 180 degree. Then this is 2x equal to 180, then x equal to 180 by 2, that means x equal to 90. Therefore, the angles are 90 degree and 90 degree. Both the angles will be 90 degree. Let's discuss question number 7. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. This is AOB and the rays OC stands on it. If angle AOC is 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC 3x plus 20 degree, find the value of x. Also find angle AOC and angle BOC. So first of all we have to write the angles. First, AOB is a straight line. Then angle AOC equal to 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC equal to 3x plus 20 degree. Then this is AOB is a straight line, OC is a rays. So this both the angles we can say these are linear pair of angles, because OA and OB are opposite to each other, opposite rays to each other. So here angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree we can write, and the reason will be since linear pair of angles. Then we can put the values. Implies 2x minus 10 plus 3x plus 20 equal to 180 degree. Degree next time we will not write. First time we can write. In the next line we will not write degree. Then we have to remove the bracket. 2x minus 10 plus 3x plus 20 equal to 180. Then 5x minus 10 plus 20 equal to 180. 5x plus 10 equal to 180. Minus 10 plus 20, that means plus 10, implies 5x equal to 180 minus 10, that means 170. Then x equal to 170 by 5 implies x equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Therefore, the value of x is 34. Angle AOC equal to 2 into 34 minus 10, that means 68 minus 10, that means 58 degree. Angle BOC equal to 3 into 34 plus 20, that means 102 plus 20, that means 2 2 1. So angle AOC equal to 58 degree and angle BOC equal to 122 degree. Now coming to question number 8. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line and rays OC and OD stands on it. If angle AOC equal to 65 degree, AOC, angle BOD equal to 70 degree, BOD, this is 70 degree, angle COD equal to x degree, COD, this is x degree. Find the value of x, that means we have to find out the value of x, that means COD angle. So first of all, we know that this is a straight angle, this is 180 degree, and we learnt about the properties that the sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line, these all angles, this angle, this angle and this angle, all angles are formed on the same side of a line. That's why that sum will be 180 degree. These three angles sum will be 180 degree. That we will show here. Then we will get the value of x. So let's see here. Solution. AOB is a straight line. Angle AOC equal to 65 degree. Angle BOD equal to 70 degree. Angle COD equal to x degree. So we can write angle AOC plus angle BOD plus angle COD equal to 180 degree. Reason will be the sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line is 180 degree. Then now we can put the value of these angles. AOC equal to 65 plus BOD equal to 70 plus x equal to 180 implies this will be 135 plus x equal to 180, then x equal to 180 minus 135, that means 5, and this is will be 4. So the value of x will be 45. Let's come to question number 10. In the given figure, two straight lines PQ and RS intersect at O. If POS, this one is 114 degree. Find the measure of each of the angles. That means we learned that in the introduction class, two straight lines when intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles will be equal. That we learned. That means if this angle POS, this is 114 degree, then this angle will be also 114 degree, and we have to find out the value of this angle POR. Then automatically we will get this one angle QOS, because this angle and this angle is equal, because vertically opposite angles are equal. So first of all, PQ and RS is intersecting at the point O. That is the main matter. Then we will get vertically opposite angle. That we have to write here. So solution. One thing more, POR, this angle, how we will get, that also we have to see. This is linear pair of angle. If you will just forget about these things, only the upper part you will see. Then we will get, if this one angle 114 degree, then this angle will be 180 minus 114. Then we will get, this is a straight line, ROS, this is a straight line. So straight angle is formed here, 180 degree. So from 180, if 114 degree will be subtracted, then we will get this one angle. Let's see here. PQ and RS intersect we have to write the given part at first. After that we will make the solution. Intersect at O. Then angle POS equal to 114 degree. Therefore, angle ROQ, that means ROQ, this one angle, equal to angle POS equal to 114 degree. Reason will be these both angles are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Then we will find out POR. Angle POR equal to 180 degree minus angle POS, linear pair. Reason will be linear pair. Then we will put the value of angle POS, that is 114. Then we will do the subtraction here. 6, it will be 6 also. Then angle QOS equal to angle POR. Same reason, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. This value will be also 66 degree. Then we have to write the last answer. That means therefore number 1, angle POR equal to 66 degree. Number 2, angle ROQ equal to 114 degree. Number 3, angle QOS equal to 66 degree. Now coming to the last one sum of this exercise, question number 11. In the given figure, rays OA, OB, OC and OD are such that angle AOB equal to 56 degree. AOB, this is 56 degree. BOC equal to 100 degree, this one angle. COD equal to X degree and DOA equal to 74 degree. So we have to find out the value of X. So we know that this is a point O and all about this point, that means all around this point the angle is 360 degree, complete angle. So the sum of, reason will be the sum of all angles around the point is 360 degree. So that properties we will use here, then we will find out the value of X, because other angles are given, then only not given X. By that property we will find out the value of X. So we have to write the measurement of these angles. Angle AOB equal to 56 degree. Angle BOC equal to 100 degree. Angle COD equal to X degree. Angle DOA equal to 74 degree. Angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA equal to 360 degree. Reason will be, since the sum of all angles around the point O is 360 degree. Then we'll put the values of these angles. Implies this is 56 plus 100 plus x plus 74 equal to 360. Then this will be added. That means 56 plus 100 plus 74 plus x equal to 360. Then implies 4 plus 6 plus 0, that means 0. 7 plus 5, that means 12, plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2, plus x equal to 360 degree. That means x equal to 360 minus 230. So the answer will be 130 degree. Therefore, value of x is 130.